In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone in your Instagram story without showing the tag. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign into your Instagram account, then go to the story post over here. So I'm going to add a story, and you want to make a picture. So I make a picture of this, and if you want to tag someone, hit the stickers, and then use the mention button. Then I want to feature AOC Gaming BR, and as you can see, this is the tag. And if you really want to tag a company or a person just like this, but you don't want to show this tag, you just have to try and put it away just like this, and it will take some time, but it eventually will work like this. As you can see, now it's gone. It's actually somewhere right here. So as you can see, the story page is invisible and nobody can see it, but the AOC Gaming BR still has a tag. I tested it a lot. It works every time. So if you want to tag a company or a person in your story, but you don't want to show the tag, this is the way to do it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.